What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Friendly, another week on this channel. I know I've been a little bit inconsistent on uploading because I'm like on holidays, but like a bit weird because I'm not on holidays. I'm still recording content and working on different things online while I'm here, and it's like plus 7 hours compared to the rest of Europe. But today we're gonna be doing a tour with a cool guy, the cool dude from this island, from Bali in Indonesia, and we're going to be looking at different temples, and basically it's going to be related to water, so different waterfalls and temples, which is some of the most important or like characteristic things that you can find in Bali. So yeah, he's going to pick me up. I think he's over here, or I need to go somewhere else. But yeah, let's get into it, and I'll stop the camera now. We'll be back to afterwards. Yeah, really hot. Oh, humid. It's humid. A lot of water.
Yeah, because rain.
Yeah, because it rains.
Raining season. Raining season starts from November.
From November, yes. Wow. Raining a lot in November. Raining a lot. So this is the rice.
Rice paddy. Yeah.
Yeah. This side.
Yeah, this way. Yeah. Good. Nice steps. Hi.
We left to the
Is finished.
Oh, I will buy tea. He bring holy water.
No,
good.
No.
Good. No. Teach you love. Okay.
It's gonna rain.
Black sky.
Yeah.
Maybe then pasar.
The pasta is raining. Oh.
Wash your hand like that. Look at your hand.
One thing that is clear is that in this country they are not so clean, to be honest. Like everything is super dirty. Like if you look at some areas, like holes and stuff, and compared to Europe, like there's no much dirty here. What the fuck? Someone driving is coming. It's here. Good.
Okay, brother?
Yeah, good. So what do we have here? It's quite touristy place. Food was not. I mean, it was like Italian, like pasta. So I think they are not their specialty, and it was not so good, to be honest. I need to be waiting for the driver.
Tibumana waterfall. Tibumana, let's go. You the big one.
Big one, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. finish the tour.
One more.
One more place.
Hantu Lampu.
Lampu.
Hantu Lampu.
Hantu Lampu. Morgan, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah. Bye.
So much. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Yeah.
Alright, so pretty much it, the tour is done. So it was like a 9-hour tour. I'm gonna get my bike and talk a little bit. So on this tour we pretty much seen everything, or like the most important things that you can or you need to see in Bali, which are waterfalls, different type of waterfall, and temples, different type of the most important things that you can observe, that you can see in Bali. And there's also, you can do surf, or as well as different activities, as well as other activities such as, for example, looking at dolphins in Lovina, which is the northern part of the island, as well as volcanoes that you can like see on the top. But those are things that you can also do in other places, and I mean like surf you can do it in different locations, but especially waterfalls and the specific type of temples that you can find in this island are pretty unique. So therefore I recommend you doing and going to these two activities. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. Now I need to take my bike back to Canggu, which is like one of the most touristic areas, or like for not saying the most touristic areas of Bali. And yeah, I'm gonna get to the bike and get home. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to Family Talking if you haven't done that yet. I know I've been a little bit inconsistent this past week, and I'm here to see one of my last uploads on the channel, which was back in Stockholm, where I was living, where I'm living actually. Yeah, thank you so much, and as always, remember to say always, family.